Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, we still have snow showers west of the Cascades. Right now, east of the Cascades, there's hardly any activity at all. And into Siskiyou County, there's also very little activity as well. Most of the activity will stay into southwest Oregon for the rest of the night tonight. Now, you do see we do have more showers up to our northwest. The flow is from the northwest towards the south and the east. This will continue for tonight as well. Now, zooming out a little bit more, the energy that the system that gave us all the rain and snow earlier is racing way down to our south and east, already bypassing San Francisco. So it's taking a hike away from us. We still have a lot of these speckled dots out here. This is all a bunch of showers. These will funnel into our region for tonight and into tomorrow as well. Now, current temperatures into the region. Temperatures have really cooled off east of the Cascades. It's 18 right now in Lakeview. Not a whole lot of clouds as a result of that. And temperatures right around 25 degrees for the rest of east side. 24 already in Montague, 31 in Mount Shasta City. We are 39 in Medford, 36 in Grants Pass. So temperatures won't drop a whole lot more for tonight, except east of the Cascades. We'll be flirting with single digits in some areas. 12's forecast though in Lakeview, 17 in Klamath Falls. We should be right around freezing here in the Rogue Valley. Still have that chance of snow showers for tonight. Temperatures right around 20 degrees, give or take a couple degrees into the Shasta Valley. Upper 30s for Brookings. Forecast for tomorrow, it's going to stay awfully cold east of the Cascades. Low 30s, maybe mid 30s over for Klamath Falls. Right around 40 degrees up and down Interstate 5, 43 for Grants Pass, 49 is your forecast high for Brookings. So we still have plenty of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings all throughout the area. So there are some areas that are expiring here pretty soon. In fact, areas east of the Cascades and into central Siskiyou County, these winter weather advisories are expiring at 10 o'clock tonight. Same kind of scenario for the winter storm warning up and down the Cascades. That's also set to expire at 10 o'clock tonight. However, west of the Cascades from Curry County all the way through the Rogue Valley, we'll be looking at that winter weather advisory set to expire at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So that's the only one that's going to be really in play for tonight. Now, in terms of forecast snowfall totals for tonight all the way through tomorrow afternoon, big winner is going to be Mount Ashland and the Cascades. Of course, 6 to 12 inches. That's great for that particular region. Less snow once we go pretty much for the rest of the area. We'll be looking at Siskiyou Summit and Mount Sexton Summit. 1 to 3 inches will be possible. And a lot of the rest of the area, less than an inch of snow is going to be possible. Remember, these are all going to be in the form of showers. So some areas will get an inch, some areas might get nothing at all, and there's a whole bunch of in between. So yeah, it's just the way it is with showers. But road conditions along the Cascades are not going to be good now, and they're not going to be good tomorrow morning, but we'll see improvement throughout the day tomorrow, and especially once we get towards Monday. Now, in terms of how much rain are we going, well, if you want to melt everything down, how much water are we going to pick up for tomorrow? Not a whole lot throughout the region, maybe 1/4 of an inch along the coast, but for the most part, we'll be looking at some pretty light amounts. So we'll keep the threat of showers throughout the region for tonight, and once we go through tomorrow, showers will eventually begin to decrease tomorrow night. A warm front will actually move into our region on Monday, so we'll start seeing some rain and snow depending on your location, and then temperatures will moderate a little bit once we go through Monday. And then our front moves through on Monday night and into Tuesday, and that'll lower the snow levels yet again, and we get into a pretty good west to east flow. So what we're going to be looking at is our system that gave us the snow for today, pushes off to our south and east. We'll have our system that'll give us the warmer air for tomorrow into Tuesday. That'll push off towards the east. Then we're going to start getting some pretty cold systems once we get into Wednesday and Thursday and into Friday. And then things get really interesting by the time we get towards Friday of this coming week, because we'll be flirting with a surface Arctic cold front up to our north. This is actually going to push down to our south later in the day on Friday and into Saturday, making things potentially very nasty here in southwest Oregon and northern California. So here's your 7-day forecast for the Oregon coast. We'll be looking at temperatures in the 40s and 50s for the next several days. A whole lot of rain is in the forecast. The drier day will be on Monday. For Northern California, 30s for tomorrow, but then temperatures stay warm up a little bit Monday into Tuesday before coming back down for the middle and end of the week. Klamath Basin, you'll be looking at a lot of snow, especially by the time we get towards Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Decreases a little bit by the end of the week. Cascades, you're going to be getting hit hard with a lot of snow, especially Tuesday through Friday. It's going to be exciting for snowpack totals by then. And for the Rogue Valley, temperatures will be cool, but they'll warm up a little bit from Monday and Tuesday, flirting with 45 degrees.
Thanks, Oliver.